Also at the same time ukhuluma ngestezi umuntu ethi hey lo uyachoma lento it depends on ukuthi uyibuka kanjani. So yabona mina mengikubuka ngiyasho ukuthi now say angize ngabuyigcela sekhaya ngathi yabo le siza lesima kuzovuka sakathina kanti la. But tell us about Ntuli sisters.
Look, I know a lot of people. Okay, this one thing uNkulunkulu ayenzayo. Uma ngabe uNkulunkulu ekuphakamisa, he give you a certain wisdom that you'll be able to. Abantu ababanje ukukhuluma kwakho kakhulu. Abantu babanjwa igrace kaNkulunkulu newisdom akunikeze yona. You understand? So now uma ngabe uNkulunkulu ekunikeza your audience to deal with, ukunikeza neindlela. Angithi abantu right now stays it's in their minds and in their hearts.
And that's that.
And then God says to me, do you know what you are preaching is the word of God? So he took me back to the word of God. Mangabe likhuluma kahle kahle Ntuli sisters. If befanele nginame in English, I was gonna say it's an upper room worship. Now in the Bible, more understand that the upper room worship. It's where uJesu ngesikhathi ezohamba esiphambanweni last supper yakhe wayenzela in an upper room. Maningi ama-miracles abekade yenzakala in an upper room. Ukhona nje umama wayeshonela umntwana wenza the upper room. Uma ngabe efile kwathiwa akathatha umntwana yombeka in an upper room. So meaning kwi-upper room there were a lot of things that were happening. So ngayithatha ngayibuyisela kwi-term yethu la emhlabeni yasestezi. So Ntuli sisters, there's nothing playful about it. It's something that needs you to connect noNkulunkulu. It's a worship ekulelazini eliphezulu.
But akasibuyele la yazi ngakugama ngathi mengibona kuthiwa uthi na uzokhipha i-album ekuthiwa Ntuli sisters. I'm like hayibo ingane kathi nathi yena noNtuli. Kanti ikamukaphi le was he not inspired? Did he not inspire the title
the
of
album?
The album?
Not really.
No?
Not really. But undumiso uyiphathi yendumiso yasestate. Whenever ngibonga, when mangabe phela udumisa, you are worshiping, you faka nokubonga lapho, you being grateful, you being thankful ezintweni uNkulunkulu awenzele zona. Undumisa is on another level. That one we cannot run away from.
Indumisa noma udumisa?
Undumisa
ingane leli liyagiga leyangane. Hayibo iyagiga leyangane. Hey, but here's my question. Something I want to ask. How does he deal with the famous Colin?
Everything.
Okumnandi
la ufunda khona ufunda nolunye uhlobo.
Ngiyathanda ukuthi ubeke kanjalo. Ngazi ungene inkingeni.
Ufunda nolunye uhlobo. But I love how the teachers understand the journey yakhe ayithathile. I love everything nje uNkulunkulu indlela amshape ngayo, but he's growing very well and doing very well. I'm happy and I'm a proud father. Kandumiso. So nje I'm grateful with what God is doing here.
Yes. I love how you say you're a proud father. Abasekho baningi abantu besilisa abakhona empilweni zengane, abanye babaleka, abanye basuke bexabene noma mase be decide ukushiya phansi, abanye abasekho sebaphumula. But I love that you're here for him, and ngiyathemba ukuthi and ngiyafisa ukuthi abanye abantu besilisa mebekubona but ubasho I want to be like him. Mhlawumbe singangagiga nentwana but ngibe khona for ingane. Yes.
Because the only way you ukwazi ukubona italent lomntwana wakhe is when you near him. You know, or near her. So ubone ukuthi wenzaka uyambuza yini ayithandayo. Okay, because besikade sikhuluma nje noNshengu sihamba la endleleni ukuthi ingane zethu more than listening, they are watching. Ukuthi senzana. So you cannot uthi ingane yenze enye into wena ube wenze enye. Yabo inkalankala yifundisana ingane sikhanjwa kanje, zabona umama ehamba kanje, zabona ubaba ehamba kanje. So whenever ucabanga lokho ukuthi the minute ngiphume endleleni abantwaneni bami ayikho into engisazoyikhuluma because they will want to see what I do.
I think speaking of what you do, ningiyabona ukwenzani. Ngingakhuluma ngokugiga kwaNdumisa. I know ayikho indawo engaze niyigige in KZN or eGoli or eLimpopo or Western Cape, in South Africa as a whole. Khona mhlawumbe ama-bookings esesiwa expecting. Izanazo.
Njengamanje